Hello viewers, we'll be going over the Nasdaq ETF ticker symbol QQQ. In this video, we'll be going over the day-by-day probability model, the technical performance of each model, how we find the models, comparing the current trend with the trend in the past, and we'll go over the day-by-day forecast for QQQ. So back to the technical analysis, we're currently down 40 basis points on the 1-hour chart. We were oversold on the RSI on Monday, and we see a slight convergence today for the 1-hour MACD, and the 200 moving average, this green line, will act as our immediate resistance to the upside. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have here is the 4-hour MACD is now approaching to negative MACD. We were overbought on Monday, and we will start to see the 50 moving average, this yellow line, also act as our resistance. If we expand that further onto the daily chart, what we have here is we saw a divergence in the daily MACD, and we did see a large volume to the downside on Monday. We were overbought on I should say Friday and Monday as well. And at the moment, the 9 moving average, this blue line, will act as our immediate resistance, and this upper range and lower range are based on the Bollinger Band, what we have above on the day-by-day probability model. The upper range is up 6% and the bottom range is down 6% from where we're currently at. And the bottom range, that coincides with previous resistance level, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support. And for the upper range, that coincides with past all-time high on Monday at the price of $269.80, and to the downside, that bottom range is around the price of $243.33. So let's examine the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, that's about a week of trading, we have a 24% chance for QQQ to climb between 0 to 6%, and to the downside we have a 64% chance for QQQ to fall between 0 to negative 6%. On the extreme case, to the downside, we have a 12% chance for QQQ to fall between negative 6% to negative 12%. So now let's examine the day-by-day forecast for QQQ. As we have 1 day out, that'll be a Wednesday, and 2 days out will be a Thursday. So we have 3 days out, 4 days out, and 5 days out. So which one of these models we should focus on? Ideally, the model that is best matched to the current trend. The blue line is our current trend, and the line overlapping it happens to be the best match. So we have our current trend right here, and the trend below was a trend that we found on the line graph above. And let's begin comparing both the trends. So what we have here, we start off averaging above the middle Bollinger Band. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on the current trend. There is a reason to believe that the trends and patterns are somewhat the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly same. So the model that we just examined was back in April 17 to July 15, 2003. Back then, QQQ was down roughly around 1.9%, slightly to the downside. And if we head back to the day-by-day probability model, that coincides with this standard deviation, 65% chance of it to fall between 0 to negative 6%. If we head back to the technical performance of each trend, so on the current trend, we're down 2% from monthly high, up 21% from monthly low, up 1.3% from 10 simple moving average, up 3.6% from 20-day simple moving average, and up 9% from 50-day simple moving average. Compare that to the trend that we just found. There are technical similarities among the two trends. The monthly high, monthly low, 10 simple moving average, 20-day simple moving average, and 50-day simple moving average. These models are available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.